diaper on the baby. First, get the wipes and gently clean the baby moving area and put the diaper. And now we're going to perform how to hold a baby. Always make sure that your hands are clean before you pick up your baby. Baby's immune system is still developing, so any germs you carry may make them sick. First is the cradle hold. Is one of the easiest and best way to hold your newborn baby for the first several weeks of life. Second is the shoulder hold, with baby's body parallel with your own lip, their head to shoulder height. Rest their head on your chest and shoulders so they can look out behind you. Keep one hand on their head and neck and the other supporting baby's bottom. This position may also allow baby to hear your heartbeat. Is a hip hold. You can hold your baby's hip once she gains complete control over her head and neck. So try this position when your baby crosses 3 months. Here is how you can do this. Face your baby outwards and make her sit on your hip bones. You should wrap your arm around her waist. Your baby will be able to look at the things around her comfortably. Shoulder hold. Make sure you use a burping cloth to manage the mess. Hold your baby firmly against your shoulder, support her bottom with one hand, and pat or rub her back with the other. Is face down on your lap. Place your baby tummy down across your lap. Her stomach will be on one on your leg, her head and the other. Turn side away with her head supported and slightly higher than the chest. With one hand securely holding baby, pat or rub her back with the others. Is sitting up. Hold your baby in a seated position, leaning slightly forward, supporting baby's head and chest with one arm while you pat or rub with the other.